Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 10, matrices, second part. In part 1, already you have got the idea. And here, multiplication. Please notice here, multiplication of matrices. The product, if A and B are two matrices, then product AB exists only when number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B. Second, if A is an M by N matrix and B is an N by P matrix, then AB is a M by P matrix. That is number of row and number of columns. That you have to notice attentively. Next, ijth elements of AB equal to ith row of A into jth column of B. I think it is clear. Now the solution. Solution of two sums are given here. If you understand clearly, then chapter is completed. Please pay your attention. Given 8, 1, minus 2, 4 into M equal to this, write down the order of matrix M and find the matrix M. Order. Suppose the matrix 8 minus 2, 1, 4. Here number of rows 1, 2, number of columns 1, 2. The order of matrix, that means we have to find out how many rows and how many columns in that particular matrix. So we have to find out order. So in M we have to see number of rows and number of columns. Now see, number of rows in M equal to number of columns in A. Number A is given, that is number of columns in A 1, 2. So 2. And number of columns in M equal to number of columns in AM. Number of columns in AM 1. So 1. Number of rows 2. Number of columns 1. Therefore M has 2 rows and 1 column. Therefore the order of matrix M is 2 by 1. Very simple. Okay. Next, part 2. Let M equal to AB. Therefore this matrix into this, then equal to 12, 10, and now we have to multiply. Multiply, that is A into 8 and A into 1. Then B minus 2 and B into 4. That is 8 minus 2B and A plus 4B equal to 12, 10. Multiplication, very simple here. Then the two matrices are equal. That means each element will be equal. Therefore, this equal to 12 and this equal to 12. By this, we are getting two simultaneous equations. These two simultaneous equations we have to solve. This solution you have learned at class 9, and now if you follow the step, easily you will understand. So by solving these two equations, we are getting A equal to 2 and B equal to 2. Therefore, the matrix M equal to 2 and 2. I think sum is completed. I think you understand also. You understand also. Okay. Next sum, that is if A equal to this, so that A square minus 6A plus 9I equal to 0. Where I is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. This is the sum. Here you have to notice attentively the multiplication. Okay. See, we have to prove it. This is why LHS equal to this. After writing LHS, then we have to put the value of A, that is given 4 1 minus 1 2 into, here is A square, so into this, then minus A and plus unit. Identity matrix that is known to you very well, 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. You may write down also here, since I equal to 1 0 0 1. This you may write here. Now multiplication. Multiplication is very important, very vital part. You have to understand this also clearly. Now pay your full attention to understand the multiplication. See, 4 minus 1 1 2 and these two we have to multiply. See the multiplication. 4 with 4 we have to multiply this column by this 4. That means 4 into 4 and minus 1 into 4. This completed. Then this column we have to multiply by minus 1. That means minus 1, 1 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1. This completed. Again, same thing we have to follow here. That is 4. This column we have to multiply by 1. That is 4 into 1 minus 1 into 1. This column multiply by 2. That is 1 into 2 and 2 into 2. I think it is clear. May I tell again? No. This is the video. You may see again. If you feel any difficulties, this portion you may see again. Next, we have to multiply. Each element of this matrix will be multiplied by 6. That is 4 into 6 minus 1 into 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 6. Same thing here, that is 9 into 1, 9 into 0, 9 into 0, and 9 into 1. I think it is clear. Multiplication, if you understand, then you may think the chapter is completed. Now remaining parts of this sum, follow the board attentively. I think easily you will understand. 4 into 4, that is 16. 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. And this is also minus 2. Then 4 into 1, that is 4 plus 2, and minus 1 into plus 4, that is 4. I think it is clear. Now this minus 24 minus 6, and this is 6 and 12, and this is 9 0 0 9. I think very simple. Now we have to simplify. See, 15 minus 6, 6 3, minus 24 minus 6, 6 12, plus 9 0 0 9. Very simple. Now we have to simplify more to get the right side of this sum. So 15 minus 24 and minus 6, and this is minus and minus. This you have to write in this way. Then 6 minus 6 and 3 minus 12. This also clear. and it will remain as it is 9009. Now 15 minus 24 minus 9, this is minus 6 plus 6, that is 0, and this is 0 and this is minus 9, plus 9009. By adding this, what we are getting? Minus 9 plus 9, 0 plus 0, that is 0 plus 0, and minus 9 plus 9. This we are getting. Next, more we have to do, one step. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. This is 0. So we are getting the right hand side, that is 0, equal to right hand side root. The sum is completed and chapter also is completed. Next we will meet with new chapter. Okay, thank you everybody.